Okay, so can you see my screen there?
Yep, we see it.
Okay, cool. This is probably going to be much quicker than anybody else's. Partly because a lot of the work I'm doing is kind of talking to the community, getting connections with everybody, trying to keep the directory up to date. So I'm going to keep it really quick and really brief. Basically, there's kind of three elements to this. This is the second zkIgnite grant, which I've got. Essentially, the three things I'm doing is a blog post section, an RSS email subscription thing, and also kind of trying to get the ecosystem to do a GitHub, so we can have a directory kind of GitHub where people can update that, and then if there's other directories or other places that need to pull that information in, we've got an up-to-date place where people can just drop their latest news in there and stuff. So big thing of things like directories is essentially keeping up to date. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the blog section. We've got it's kind of nice now because we're just establishing some people who want to write about Mina. I would say to anybody who's doing stuff in the ecosystem, if they want to write a short blog post about any updates that they want to do, be really cool to put it on here. Lots of people will see it, so it'll get lots of eyes on it. So it's a good place to share any news. Obviously, we'll do the same thing on social media as well. So just wanted to say that. Okay, so it's just it's a blog section. We've got some new stuff on here. I don't want to put every tiny little piece of news on here about Mina because I think again it's kind of difficult to keep track of things. But the major news things will definitely be on here. Okay, so this is the blog. I'll just show you an example. This is just a recent blog post. Hang on. I'm gonna fix that top thing. So yeah, so it's a simple blog. This is talking about a zk oracles thing. These three teams are been working with the foundation. Okay, so essentially, what happens is that what will happen is every week or every 2 weeks, depending on how much news is on there, there's a mailing list, and this little mailing list will receive the latest snippets of each blog post. So you can see here, this is kind of the latest ones, and this gets sent out based on the RSS feed of the blog. So it's fairly simple, just does it, and it's a really good way of just keeping people keeping them up to date with what's going on and just keeping them connected with projects. So this is it. So this gets scheduled to go out once a week or twice a week, depending on how much is on there. And I'll just show you quickly the last thing we're doing is I was trying to get as many translations as possible for the different projects that are on the ecosystem directory. So at the moment, just going through some French ones. Most of the older ones have Turkish and Hindi translations. So I'm hoping that as we grow, that every new project that goes on there, every new zkApp goes on there, we'll have 3 or 4 different language translations. Try and get it out there to as many people as possible. So yeah, that's kind of it, I think. There's some, I've just come back from the zk hack thing, so there's some new projects that people built with Mina that are going to go on the website in the next few days. But yeah, that's it. Very quick, very painless, I think. If anybody's got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them.
Thanks, Pete. Yeah. Any questions? I think not. Then yeah, thanks a lot again for your contributions.
That's
You're
all right. I
really-
think I think everybody's probably seen enough for today. It was I would say like was some good demos there. So good job, everyone.
All right then. Thanks again for all of you, and good luck with the rest of your work. And I'll keep you updated with the news and the process after the milestone presentations. So, and let's have a break from the final session today in 1 hour. So, have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cheers. Bye.